The Northrop B-2 Spirit is one of the most advanced and mysterious aircraft ever built. It was designed for a single purpose: to strike anywhere in the world without being seen. Developed in the 1980s under extreme secrecy, the B-2 is a stealth, strategic bomber capable of delivering both conventional and nuclear weapons. What sets it apart isn't just what it carries, but how it gets there, undetected. The B-2's most striking feature is its design. It's a flying wing, no tail, no fuselage, just one continuous curved airframe stretching 172 feet across. This shape is not for aesthetics, it's the foundation of its stealth. Traditional aircraft surfaces bounce radar waves directly back to the source. The B-2's curves scatter them in all directions, reducing its radar cross-section to something as small as a pigeon on radar screens. But shape alone isn't enough. The B-2 is coated in radar-absorbent materials, or RAM. These specially engineered coatings soak up radar waves rather than reflecting them. The aircraft's panel lines, seams, and even sensors are flush-mounted or hidden beneath specialized covers to avoid giving radar waves anything to grab onto. Every feature, even the tires and cockpit windows, is optimized for low observability. The engines are another stealth breakthrough. The B-2 is powered by 4 General Electric F118-GE-100 turbofan engines, each producing 17,300 pounds of thrust. Unlike most jets, their inlets are buried deep within the wing, with serrated S-shaped intakes to block radar from seeing the engine's spinning turbine blades, a major source of radar reflection. The exhaust is also channeled through carefully shaped nozzles and cooled by ambient air, dramatically lowering its infrared signature, making it harder to lock on with heat-seeking weapons. Combined, these features allow the B-2 to slip through heavily defended airspace, bypassing enemy radar, heat sensors, and even acoustic detection. It's not invincible, but it's close. Despite its size, the B-2 is flown by just 2 pilots. The cockpit is highly digital, equipped with fly-by-wire controls and sophisticated mission systems that assist with navigation, terrain following, and target engagement. The B-2 flies at high subsonic speed, just under Mach 1, and has an unrefueled range of over 6,000 nautical miles. With aerial refueling, it has global reach, launching from the continental US and striking targets anywhere in the world. The bomber carries up to 40,000 pounds of ordnance, all internally housed to preserve stealth. It can deliver JDAM precision-guided bombs, bunker-busting bombs like the GBU-57, and nuclear weapons including B-61 and B-83 gravity bombs. When needed, it can drop its entire payload within meters of its intended target, even in GPS-degraded environments. Every element is about invisibility and precision. Only 21 B-2s were ever built. One was lost in a 2008 crash, leaving 20 in service today. Each aircraft costs over $2 billion, making it one of the most expensive military aircraft in history. Maintenance is meticulous. Even the stealth coating must be regularly reapplied and inspected to keep it combat ready. Despite its age, it remains unmatched. It serves as the tip of the spear for American long-range strike capability. Soon it will be joined by the B-21 Raider, the next generation stealth bomber. But until then, the Spirit continues to silently dominate the skies.